If you're using your phone for taking some photographs or video, and if it is not working properly, how do you fix it? We're going to see in this video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Without much delay, to fix this camera on your mobile phone, what you have to do, get into your top right corner, go there like this. By just scrolling down, you'll find this settings icon on your top right down below corner or top corner. Just go and get into that settings icon by just tapping. After going to this settings menu, you will be having so much of information here, and out of which you have to straight away get into apps and notifications on your settings menu. Just tap it on apps and notifications. Upon tapping apps and notifications, you will be finding all those apps which you are having on your mobile phone. Just go and tap on see all 64 apps or whatever the apps number of apps your mobile is having, and you will be finding all those apps at one place. Go to your camera app wherever it is. Straight away get into that camera app by tapping. Upon tapping, you will be falling into this app information of your camera. And if your camera by some issue, if it is not working, what you can do, straight away go to your storage and cache of camera. Tap it here on that one. Upon tapping under the camera, cache and the storage is having some information, just clear it. First clear your cache, and after clearing your cache, you can also clear your storage of your camera. Just clear that one also. By doing this one, you will get a disclaimer here. By doing this, you would lose all your information of your camera. Not an issue, because it's having some issue. You want to fix it, that's why you're going ahead with just do it. Okay, once it is done, most of the times what happens, your issue would be set right back to the original, and your camera would be working properly. And after that, come back, and you can also do the force stop. By doing this one, if you force stop any app, it may misbehave. Okay, not an issue. And come back, and just use your camera once you restart your phone. If you restart the phone, the settings would be saved, and the camera would be working very properly. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this would be very much useful to you. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.